Twins! Kinda. I love trash. So I'm kind of an idiot, so now I have two more Berettas. I just picked this beauty up this weekend. This is a quad 4 5-speed car. It is a little rough, but it's got pedal, shifter, all that stuff. I already got a couple people wanting some parts. That's what I bought it for. That's got a sunroof that I can cut out and put in my car. And I do like the 91 to 93 style interior better than the 94 to 96 interior I got in mine. Am I going to swap it? I don't know. Maybe, maybe not, but I have that option now. It is really 90s. Pretty sweet. You might recognize this is the one that I stole the bumper off from last year. My buddy just gave it to me so I could get the car back going after I crashed it at Cletus. So now I just got the rest of it. He was moving, needed stuff gone, so that works. I'm pretty stoked about having a sunroof though. My first car had a sunroof, and that's kind of what I'm replicating. It is a little on the rough side, but it does have parts that I need to. Look at these clear taillights. Altezas. And this one I bought last year, right when I crashed my other car. This one has a beautiful front bumper. Well, it's a little moldy now, but it's really, really nice shape. I'm sure it'll clean up really good. This one is a 3.1 auto. It has a fairly decent interior with the red Z seats and stuff, so there's some more stuff I can sell out of this one too. My plan when I bought it was to do a tug-of-war, where this car would be spinning the front tires and my car would be spinning the back tires. I haven't got around to that yet, but this one is exactly like my car started as. And it's the same color, same year, same everything. So I've got spares of everything that I need, basically. Since my buddy was moving, I got some more stuff. I got a nice front bumper here, some side skirts, Z26 wheel, another header panel. You should have seen us winching this thing on the trailer. I kind of wish I had my tripod with me so I could have set it up and shown what a pain in the ass it was. I didn't get any pictures. But that driveway is steep. It's got a tree right in the middle of it. Trees on both edges. It was fun. Oh yeah. And I haven't shown you guys this little treasure yet. Got this, I don't know, a month or two ago. I got a lot of things on the back burner that aren't done yet. A little bit of progress on the off-road Blazer. I got it on that other frame with the LS in it. I got it off that frame. It looks really stupid on these Jeep axles and wheels right now, but the LS fits pretty good. I had to BFH this bottom part of the firewall right here, but other than that, it fits pretty good. Got to unbolt that one coil. Pretty easy though. It's a lot easier when they start off rear-wheel drive, and it'll look pretty good once I get the Super Duty axles under there with these 37s. I'm gonna like how that works. And I just dove back into the ZR2 because it still needs this 4.3 and this 5-speed to go in there. Not that one, that was for the Suburban. Before I have my winter beater all done. And I found some surprises like 1/2-inch bolts in the M12 holes, making everything a nightmare, but sometimes that's how this stuff goes. I got this from a high school kid, and there's definitely evidence that it was a high schooler that had it, for sure. So I got to get all this shit together and get that thing functional so that I have a winter beater. I don't want to be driving the truck all winter. Here we are, it's 4 a.m. leaving for a road trip to the city. Picked up some fresh meat from Long Island. 8.1 doing 8.1 things down the court after going to Connecticut and now Long Island. New York BS. Yep, this sucks. Manual is kind of a love-hate when it's stop and go like this. Especially that dog leg first. The Wawa Mawa is friggin' hammered. Cheap gas though, $3.13. You like that purple, huh?
It's warm in here, though.
Yeah, it is pretty warm. That's why I opened the doors. What do you think? Is this one gonna be your car?
Yeah.
You still can't reach pedals. It looks so weird under here now. Alright, so here's the newest evidence of my brain damage. Price is right though. It was actually free fitty. Completely free. It cost me $10 in gas to go get it because it was local. It is pretty crunchy underneath. It has sat for 5, 6, 7 years, something like that. No engine or trans in it. Actually, one of the reasons I wanted it was to test out a 3rd gen strut idea on my Beretta. This is also the first time I bought something that wasn't a Chevy. I mean, it is close enough. But it also is a 101-inch wheelbase, and a 2-door Blazer is 100.5. So, I don't know. It could be 4-wheel drive, too.